How to add a work or home address on Uber. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add a work or home address on Uber, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add a work or home address on Uber, all you have to do is just go ahead and then launch the Uber application and then come to the accounts tab from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Then once you come to the account tab, over here you'll see all these sorts of information where you have to basically go to settings, and as you go to settings you can see under favorites add home and add work. All you have to do is just tap on the add home button over here. So make sure to enter your home address, and once you enter your home address you'll be successfully added. If you want to add it work address, tap on add work and then you can select your work address over here, and then you'll be able to successfully add that as your work address. Now if you want to delete it, you can just tap on the delete button right next to it. And that's all it takes to add a work or home address on Uber. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.